Well, we were set up as Boomerang. That was the name of the company initially when we started in 1994. We were established around the fact that there were 3 national broadcasters based here in Cardiff, S4C, ITV Wales and BBC Wales. And the company grew on that basis, on the back of producing content for those 3 broadcasters. Cardiff is an incredibly creative city. We're fast coming up behind Manchester, London, Glasgow as a creative powerhouse. And we're very excited to be in the centre of that. The presence of the 3 major broadcasters made it possible for us to grow, and we're excited about the possibilities of future growth. The presence of 3 fantastic top-level universities means that there's a great talent pipeline, that we're very excited about the fact that there's approximately 5,000 creative students or students studying creative subjects at the moment coming through from those universities, which will naturally feed the growth of companies like Boom. Cardiff is a great place to work. People come here, they like it and stay. A number of people are coming over here from Bristol, London and settling, and they're loving the vibe here the city has. It's over half the population's under 35 years old, which means it's a very young, vibrant city. We've got fantastic amenities here. The centre of Cardiff is a wonderful place to be. Everything is close together, and we absolutely adore being here. Boom has a great relationship with the Invest in Cardiff team. We're able to pick up the phone to them, speak to them on a regular basis. Ken and the team have been very, very supportive of us as a business and supportive of our growth, and we think that will continue.